1978 Rolls-Royce Camargue. Price: $37,500. Location: Hawaii. The 1978 Rolls-Royce Camargue is a remarkable expression of exclusivity and bold design from. With only 531 units ever produced, this Grand Touring coupe stands as one of the rarest post-war Rolls-Royce models. This particular example, showing just over 57,000 miles, offers a unique opportunity to own a limited production luxury car that combines heritage, prestige, and individuality. What truly sets the Camargue apart is its design pedigree. Styled by OV, it marked the first time Rolls-Royce collaborated with an Italian design house. The result is a distinctive and angular silhouette that contrasts beautifully with the brand's traditionally conservative styling, while still retaining the elegance expected from Rolls-Royce. Built by Mulliner Park Ward, the craftsmanship remains evident throughout the vehicle. Under the hood, the car is powered by a 6.75-litre V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and effortless performance. The dual SU carburetors ensure steady fuel delivery, while features such as power steering and four-wheel disc brakes contribute to a refined driving experience. This car was engineered not for speed, but for supreme comfort and quiet cruising, qualities that define the Rolls-Royce driving philosophy. The exterior is finished in a sophisticated dark walnut brown, complemented by chrome accents, dual headlights, and signature Rolls-Royce styling details. It rides on 15-inch steel wheels fitted with Vogue custom-built radial wide-track touring tires, enhancing both comfort and road presence. Every angle of the Camargue reflects its status as a luxury icon from the late 1970s. Inside, the cabin is trimmed in a tasteful cream interior, offering a warm and inviting atmosphere. Luxury features include air conditioning, power windows, electrically adjustable front bucket seats, and cruise control. The classic instrumentation by Smiths, Jaeger, and Lucas adds an authentic British touch, while the spacious layout ensures comfort for long-distance touring. Although the car is currently running and drivable, it would benefit from cosmetic and mechanical refinements before regular use. Nevertheless, this Camargue remains an exceptional collector's piece, an elegant blend of British engineering and Italian design, offering rarity, prestige, and timeless appeal in one distinctive package.